Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my sporting goods store business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, I'll introduce you all to my sporting goods store business plan template, specifically the Word document and the Excel file, which is the financial model. All right, so without further ado, let's zip through this whole presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional business plan writer. If y'all do need some help with writing your business plan, you don't want to mess around with tutorials and templates, you just want a professional to do it, all you have to do is pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'll be delighted to do it for you. I am also an published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books about business plan writing there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. And with that said, if y'all need some help with those financial projections, they can be a little tough. Feel free to, again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to do it for you. However, if you do want to buy the template link is right here. And let's go ahead and get into the star of the show, which is the actual business plan template for the sporting goods store. So when you open up the Word document, you'll be greeted with the title page. On the title page, most of my clients are going to get rid of this writing right here. They'll put their logo and then leave business plan underneath. Page number 2 is going to be the table of contents. Once you add your information to the template, you expand it, make your own. You'll want to go to table of contents, click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and your page numbers and your headers will update accordingly. On page 3 is the executive summary. I give you a great starting point for the sporting goods store summary, target market, financial highlights, and funding request. For the financial highlights, you do need to update the financial model. Once you're done with that, then you can take the important information from there and put it into your highlights. Company description, again, great starting point for summarizing your company. Products and services offered would go right here. Competitive advantage, good starting point for that. Primary target market segment, pricing strategy, hours of operation, always important. And then the section ends with a location description of your location. And then finally, your business objectives and timeline. Where do you want to be in 3 months and 6 months and a year? Just update this accordingly. Page 6 is going to be your industry analysis. I get my information from IBIS World. They are the industry leader in industry research. And so what I'll do is I'll go to the report, I'll summarize their information and put it in here, and then give them credit in a footnote for a citation. SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. To update this information, just click on the words and put your info in there. Organizational structure, anywhere you see yellow throughout the business plan, you definitely want to make sure that it is aligned with your organization. Put your info in there. We've got the ownership section and the organizational chart. For the organizational chart, again, you just click on it and put your info in there. Marketing, I do give you a starting point for 3 marketing channels, which is your traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. On page 10 is the funding request. Again, how much money do you need to get the party started and the various terms related to the funding request. Financial projections included in my template is your profit and loss for year 1, broken up monthly as well as quarterly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then finally is your pro forma income statement, which is your annual revenues, expenses, and net profits. And I do provide you all a segment to do this for the next 5 years. All right, so in order to update your pro forma income statements or your financial statements throughout here, you do need to update your financial model. And here is the financial model. In the financial model, it does have 4 tabs: your information page, your projections, your profit and loss, and income statement. All those tabs are updated as you update your information page. Anywhere in the darker color cells, you can go ahead and update that information, and when you do, your projections, your profit and loss, and your income statement will update automatically. Some of the areas that you can update are going to be your daily sales, your labor information, startup cost, monthly fixed costs, miscellaneous information, growth rates for your revenues, as well as your fixed cost, and then finally your loan information would be right here. Once you update that information, your projections tab will update automatically. This is just a summary of your financial standings. Profit and loss tab will update as well. And then your income statement will again update as you update your information page. Once you are done updating your information page, just go to the various financial statements, copy them, and put them into your Word document, and then they will be all updated. All right, let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up now. So in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my Sporting Goods Store Business Plan template, just go to this link right here. It does come with the Word document, which I just showed you. It comes with the Excel file, which I showed you as well. And then also included as a little bit of a bonus are some business plan template tutorials. Go to this link right here. They're free. You can look at them now. You can look at them after you purchase the template. But just go to that link, and I do have various tutorials to help you fill out the templates. What is not included in the template purchase is Microsoft Excel and Word. You do need to have Microsoft Excel and Word in order to edit the business plan templates. I do not offer free phone support. If you have questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase the template, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation about the template as to what you can expect and so on. However, after you purchase the template, I do not help you all fill out the template for free. If you want to pay me, I do offer mentoring services. I do offer the completion of the templates, but those are paid services, so just keep that in mind. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with templates and tutorials, you just want your business plan written for you by a professional, I can do that. Just go to my prices page right here. I do have various packages for custom written business plans and custom completed pro forma financial projections. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money. Have a great day. Thank you.